Hi everyone, so today I would like to talk about the elephant species. So elephants currently live in diverse habitats including wetlands, savanna, and forests. They are found across 37 countries including the entirety of Africa. They have a very strong social bond within and among their family groups, and individuals interact within groups and do so through play behavior such as chasing, wrestling, and sparring. So I've included the animal's own mouth here, showing that the olfactory system is one of their main systems that they use, just because elephants have around 2,000 olfactory receptors, and they have the biggest olfactory bulb compared to any other mammal. So to describe a type of taxis that elephants use, I chose clinotaxis because they do move their head and trunk laterally, either when feeding or when grazing, and they've always been seen in a herd. So if my animal were to be dropped from the Empire State Building, I believe that it would splat into many different pieces due to the elephant's weight and the force of gravity. For my question and hypothesis, I posed, what is the current adaptive function of staying in families known as herds while moving? And my hypothesis was the elephants use their entire family to make decisions for safety, to find resources for survival, and to help with offspring. My Tinbergen 4 question I did use was function/current utility. And to move on to my ethogram, I included some behavioral definitions known as walking, feeding, submissive, drive, standing, and feeding while locomoting, which seemed to be the most important and seemed to be the most prevalent behavior that I saw. Here is the instantaneous scan sampling that I used for the elephant behavior. And to determine the type of sampling that I would use to collect my data on the elephant behavior, I would choose focal sampling because I'm observing the interactions of a small, focused group of elephants. And to enhance the quality of my observational data, I will extend the time allotted in between observation, and I will also include more specific animal behaviors to categorize. Another method by which I could enhance the quality of my data would be to expand my sample size, but if I were to do that, I would no longer use focal sampling as I would switch to scan sampling. Thank you for your time.